Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. Looking for trucks, specifically this truck? This is the 2013, the Ram 1500. Stock number is 7355. Take notice of the exterior condition. And you want to talk about trucks, we have tons and tons of trucks here at Sunset Ford. I'm going to take you right down here on the driver's side. We're going to give you a nice shot of the rear. Then we're going to put you on the interior in just a second. 4x4 bed liner. If you're looking at doing some towing, maybe some hunting, this truck's going to be perfect for your needs. Now, as I promised, let's take a look at the interior. Oh, that door's locked. We'll go up here to the front. There we go, and we're going to make our way inside. Absolutely fully loaded, moonroof, power windows, locks, cruise tilt, you name it, this truck's got it. So for more information, maybe we'll get the back door unlocked. Give us a call, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down and see what everybody's talking about. I hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care now.